Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In previous video we have seen how to draw upward pyramid using stars in Python. So if you have not seen that video, click in the I button to see the video. In this video we are going to see how to draw downward pyramid using stars in Python. So let's get started. So this is how our downward pyramid looks like. Now we are going to write the code for this. First of all, let us input the number of rows from the user. So input, this will take the input from the user and it will be in string format. So let us typecast it to integer format and let us assign this to a variable n. So the logic we are going to use in this is same as one we have used in upward pyramid. We have to print the spaces first and then we are going to print the stars. So let us take a variable space and assign it with 0 because there are no spaces in the first row. So space should start from 0. Let us write the loop for the rows. So n is the number of rows entered by the user. So this loop will execute till the number of rows. So for this the number of rows is 5. So n will be 5. Now let us write another for loop for spaces and print the space here and end parameter to print the space in the single row. So initially the space will be 0, so this loop will not execute at all. So for row 0 space will not be there. Now let us increase the space by 1 so that in consecutive rows there will be one space extra. So here the space will be 1, in next row the space will be 1 plus 1, so there will be 2. It continues like that. Now let us write the another for loop to print the stars. So as you can see in the diagram, row 0 has 5 stars and row 1 has 4 stars and the stars gets decreased by 1 from the previous row. So n is 5 here. So if we want to make a connection between n and the number of stars, then this number of stars is equal to n minus the number of rows. So for this row number is 0, so n minus 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, so 5 stars. For this number of row number is 1, so n minus 1 is 4, so 4 number of stars. N minus this row number 2, so 5 minus 2, 3 stars. This continues like that. So here that row number is our I. So we have to start the loop from n minus I. It goes till 0 and we have to decrease it for every loop. So minus 1 is a step to decrease till 0. Now print star and give one space. Now end. So this is completed. Now after each row is completed we have to move to the next row. For that let us just print blank. This will help in moving to the next row. Now let me execute this. I will enter 5. So you can see 5 stars, 4 stars, 3, 2, 1. So if you can't make the difference between the spaces, let me change it to hash, and I will run the code again. 5. See, these are the spaces. So there will not be space any here. Here 1 space, 2 space. Thank you guys for watching the video.